Hi everyone, I'm here in, well, you might be able to tell from over my shoulder, in beautiful Hong Kong for the Global Entrepreneur Program. And in a short moment, I will be at the British Consulate speaking to a group of technology companies from here in Hong Kong who are looking at a potential headquarters for their technology startups and scale-ups from the United Kingdom. And I know what issues are going to come. First of all, Hong Kong, well known for its fintech, but also increasingly for blockchain as well. We've got some fascinating innovations coming out of here, and all these companies want to be global. The UK, of course, has very strong links with Hong Kong, and that's why one of the reasons I'm here and why it's an easy, obvious step for them to establish themselves in the United Kingdom. And the key reasons they look to establish in the UK is, of course, the UK is a global leader in fintech. So if you're looking at going global, makes sense. If you're looking at a regional base on the other side of the planet, which covers America and Europe, you've obviously got the United Kingdom for that as well. But as I said, a lot of entrepreneurs, it really comes down to where they feel at home, and they feel very much at home. Similar legal system, similar sort of cultural background in the UK as there is in Hong Kong. So that's another reason. A lot of them have got family over there. But in terms of just hiring skills, bringing new innovation to a different market, the UK makes sense for them as well. Of course, ease of doing business, access to the local market, and given the size of the UK economy, one of the, I think it's 4th or 5th largest in the world at the moment. So you've got that market access, let alone the fact that our Department for International Trade helps those British companies then go global. These are all the reasons which people look to set up, let alone, and this is what I'm going to talk to the entrepreneurs about in a moment, the 150 plus accelerators and incubators, one of the largest angel investor networks in the world, being based out of the UK. So you've got angel investment, if you need capital, you've got crowdfunding, one of the largest crowdfunding markets, if not the largest actually, in the world out of the United Kingdom as well. And also, of course, venture capital, the largest venture capital market in Europe as well out of the UK. So access to capital being another key factor, reason for them to set up, as well as sector specialism, sector expertise in things like blockchain and fintech as well. So I'm really looking forward to the talk at the British Consulate to these entrepreneurs, and I hope you'll be joining them as well in the United Kingdom and setting up your global headquarters with the help of the Global Entrepreneur Program, which is part of the Department for International Trade, where we look for outstanding entrepreneurs and outstanding technologists to headquarter in the UK with people such as me, the deal makers, who are business people in our own right. We continue running our businesses and doing the deals to help those companies go global, mentoring them, giving them a soft landing in the UK and access to our networks and resources so that they can become global. Just another resource for them to get to hopefully that unicorn status, which is what we want for them. So thanks very much for listening.